Without the proper environment, you're lost. And this is why you have Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde personality. In the masjid, Jazakallahu khairan, Subhanallah, like the brother said, Allahu Akbar. And few weeks later, Astaghfirullah. It's exactly the same, but you have to be consistent. And Ya akhi, imagine chapter 18, verse 28. Surah Al-Kahfi, verse 28. Allah addresses the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, not us. He's saying this to Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. 3 commands. وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَدَاةِ وَالْعَشِيِّ يُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَهُ. Be patient, you yourself, with those, for the sake of Allah, who call Allah Azza wa Jal in the morning and the evening. So, number 1, you have to be patient with them, stay with them, stick with them, hang out with them, go to play badminton with them. This is what you should choose. Go to your contact list. How many do you have? 2,000 in my case. How many righteous Muslims among them? 1,999. No, this is baloney. No, maybe 1 or 2. Why? Because this is life. They're boring. When you sit with them, fear Allah, you will go to hellfire. Allah says, drink with your right, don't drink with your left. Akhi, what is this? Everything they're telling me is to do this and not to do that. So I don't tend to go with them. I'd like people to come and share with me the latest Game of Thrones on Netflix.
MashaAllah.
Season number 10. I don't know. So this is what I want. So wasbir nafsak, number 1. Number 2, وَلَا تَعْدُ عَيْنَاكَ عَنْهُمْ تُرِيدُ زِينَةَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Second command, do not look elsewhere, wanting the adornment and the glamorous things in dunya. Those practicing Muslims, they drive what? Patron? What's the car called here? Patron?
Proton. Patron is a gas station.
Anyhow, yeah, you need a gas station to fill up your car. So I need people with BMWs, with Teslas, with Ferraris, with Lamborghinis. Those I want to accompany, not those with Hyundai and the likes. Allah says, no, stick yourself with them. And then the third command, وَلَا تُطِعْ مَنْ أَغْفَلْنَا قَلْبَهُ عَنْ ذِكْرِنَا وَاتَّبَعَ هَوَاهُ وَكَانَ أَمْرُهُ فُرُطًا. Do not obey those whom we made their hearts heedless from our remembrance. Some people I sit with, they don't speak about Quran and Sunnah. They speak about Ronaldo Cristiano, they speak about football, they speak about sports, they speak about movies, they speak about shares, they speak about stocks, they speak about property, dunya, and Miss Universe 2024. What time is it aired? This is all what they think about. No, Allah says, don't follow or obey those whom we made their hearts heedless from our remembrance. وَاتَّبَعَ هَوَاهُ, and they followed not the Quran and the Sunnah, their whims and desires. وَكَانَ أَمْرُهُ فُرُطًا, their affairs are at loss. They don't have blessing in barakah in their time. Yani may Allah be praised, and may Allah Azza wa Jal bless Dr. Bilal, Abu Amina. I'm not saying it to his face. Allah knows what's in his heart. Maybe he is worse than us all. But look at the barakah that Allah put in his life. How many books? This is inshallah in his good scale. If he's, then it would be very bad for him. How many those were guided through his university? How many university branches he managed to open, in conferences he attended? This is barakah. How much do you have in your life? Compare apple to apple. But again, this is in Allah's hands. I'm not praising him. He's not, mashallah, his head is not becoming like a balloon. No. Because him and I, we all know ourselves.
Yeah.
So even if I praise him and I compliment him from today until Fajr, it's not going to matter with him. Because he knows himself more than all of us. But I'm talking about becoming a good Muslim. It's not about speaking. We all speak very well, mashallah. But it's about walking the talk. Go to my house and ask my wife. I will kill you if you ask her. Ask my children. Ask my subordinates, my drivers, my maids, my neighbors. If you see that I check all boxes and I walk the talk, maybe this is a good sign. But if I'm with you, a good speaker, mashallah, motivator, and then in my own privacy, I don't do it. And I'm alone on my own and I sin. This shows you that there is a deficiency. There is something wrong. So if you want to become a good Muslim, you have to check all the boxes. And at the end of the day, you're fearful. May Allah Azza wa Jal accept and Allah may not. So you're always in the balance. You remember last lecture I did 3-4 months ago? The balance between fear and hope. So you fear Allah every step of the way because you don't know what Allah will end your life with. Is it on Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, or is it on music and movies? And at the same time, I'm hopeful. Not to enter Jannah, I'm hopeful to be with Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. So this is the balance. Manage to do this, and inshallah azza wa jal, you will be safe. May Allah make me, you, mashayikh, and all of those attending and listening and hearing among those who will be resurrected with the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam.